Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is January 11th, 2015. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market follows through on Thursday. It's now in a confirmed rally phase. I recently bought some leading stocks as they broke out. I will continue buy more stocks if they break out. Let's take a look at the major indices and their charts. This is a German DAX index. It's still consolidating. China Shanghai Stock Exchange Index is in the uptrend, but Friday's one-day reversal is not good. Short term, it may pull back a little bit. U.S. Nasdaq Index. Nasdaq had been in correction since December, so this is a low. This is a market made a low, and after fourth day of the low, if market goes up and with a higher volume than previous days, that will be confirmed rally, which happened on this week, Thursday. This is a 15th day after the market made a low. So finally on Thursday, market followed through. So now the market is in a confirmed rally phase. Mid cap looks similar to Nasdaq. Small cap is quite strong recently. SP 500 large cap did the same on Thursday. It also followed through. Gold index, and gold may have bottomed out. It looks like it's made a bottom here. It may go up for a little while, but we don't know for sure yet. But for now, just let's watch for where it's going. Silver is also trying to test the bottom. Gold Mining Stock Index ETF GDX, and this index looks like it's a breakout from the bottom here. So right now it's looks like it wants to go up. US dollar is a very strong uptrend. Crude oil index. Crude oil is in a very strong downtrend. It broke below $50 per barrel. This is a, when commodity is set in motion, it just keep on going in one direction. So crude oil is still in a strong downtrend. FXI is a China ETF. There are 25 stocks made up this ETF. Look like it's making a base, and it has broke out from this base. IYR is a US real estate ETF. It's in a very strong uptrend. JJC is a copper ETF. It's in the downtrend. MBB is the US real estate mortgage fund price is in the uptrend. Mortgage interest rate is in the downtrend. SMH is a semiconductor index. It's consolidating. Social media ETF is a downtrend. Solar ETF is in the downtrend. Energy ETF is in the downtrend. Financial ETF, this doesn't look very good. It broke down 50-day moving average again on Friday, so this need to be watched closely. The market usually follow the financial ETF, financial sector index. So when the financial ETF goes down, it's not a good sign. Let's see next week, can they go regain the 50-day moving average? Can they go above 50-day moving average or not? Let's wait and see. Let's take a look at the three list. The stocks of the three lists. The first list is a stock that in the uptrend, but they're too extended to buy right now. If you had bought them, and those stocks is on hold, you should hold them. And Chipito Mexican Grow and the Palo Alto Network. Those are two stocks. Second list of the stock that broke out, but they're still within the buy range, means they're still within 5% of the breakout price. Illumina and the VRX, those are two biotech stocks. And then there is a AYI. This is a new stocks. I just started following it now, and they make LED, and their fundamental very strong. LED is in very strong demand right now. And then there's a NXP Semiconductor, NXPI. They make chips that's used in the Apple Pay. So this is a fundamentally right now. This is a strong demand, fundamental strong. And then another stock is Umbrella, AMBA. They make the video chip that's used in the GoPro camera and other video encoders. And this is a very strong fundamental stock as well. And then there's third list, and those are the stocks that are still building base. Apple, Alibaba, Facebook, and Restoration Hardware. Let's take a look at those lists. First list, stocks are too extended. Chipita Mexican Grow, it broke out at around $696. Right now it's above $700. This is too high. Palo Alto Networks, and this stock has many breakouts, and this is a breakout here, and then they have another breakout right here, and then they have several. It's a uptrend, but this is also a breakout here. So right now it's in a strong uptrend. If you have bought this stock, you should hold on to it. But if you have not bought it yet, you need to wait for the next buy opportunity. Right now there's no buy point. Second list, those are the list of stocks that's broke out, but they're still within the buy range. First is Umbrella. This stock broke out. Price is $58.10. Right now it's $61.80. So it's still within 5% of the barely within 5% of breakout pivotal point. So this is a strong uptrend. Another stock is AYI, Acuity Brands. They make LED. It break out, actually theoretically breakout pivotal point is $143.77. However, on Friday the stock broke out with a gap. So when the stock break out with a gap, and whatever the gap open price, that would become a pivotal point. So right now it's still within the buy range. Illumina broke out right here on Thursday. $197 it broke out of the flat base. NXP Semiconductor, it broke out on $78.44 on Friday. So this one makes the chips using the Apple Pay. VRX, Valiant Pharmaceutical, broke out $150 right here. So those are the stocks that break out but still within the buy range. Now the third list are the stocks that are building a base right now. They have not yet break out. You should wait for it to break out. Apple is making a base right now. Alibaba is also making a base, and just wait. There's nothing to do right now. Facebook actually already broke out here. However, it just pulled back and it's making another base. So looks the whole pattern here is like a flat base. Restoration Hardware, it broke out here. However, it's just making another flat base now. So if you have not bought here, and there's really no point to buy right now. My approach will be wait for it to break above $100.76. That's another buy point. So anyhow, yeah, that's all the stocks on my list, and especially those three stocks are worth of paying attention. Acuity, AYI, make a LED light, and it's in strong demand right now. And AXP Semiconductor and NXPI, they make semiconductor chips that's used in the Apple Pay. Umbrella, AMBA, they make a video chips that's used in GoPro camera and other video encoders. So those are the three stocks and worth watching. What to do in the current market? I will keep a watch list of the fundamentally strong stocks, and I usually use IBD as my source, because as an individual investor, there's no way I can go through thousands of the companies' earning report to find out which one has a strong fundamental. So I have to rely on something to do that research for me. IBD would be my source. And I will buy stock as they break out from a base. So be able to read charts is very important here. All right, that's all for this week. See you next week.